Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. I'm headed to meet my tech at a good-sized residential job. Me and him are going to be working together today. My business partner has a job close to his hometown, so it makes more sense for him to do that job. I don't know if you guys remember, a few videos back, I had like 9 estimates to do, and I showed you guys this big residential property. I think I quoted it for $1,100, $1,200. Well, we got that job. It's 2 driveways, retaining walls, and some bar stools we're doing for free, and the street gutters. So I'm headed to do that job with him. It is 9:20. He's been there since 8:30. I'm still helping with the kids and our newborn. It just makes my wife's life a little bit easier when I'm there in the mornings. But I've been answering calls, sending emails. I get up at 5 a.m. every morning, drink coffee, and just do what I need to do. Each morning's different, and just try to stay organized with scheduling, keeping track of invoices. We've had some trouble with people paying on time here lately. Don't know what it is. In my opinion, there's really no good excuse. But I sent some emails. Hopefully we'll get those checks soon. And I've noticed it's only gotten worse each year. People just, I guess they get comfortable with us, and they have such a good relationship with us that they think they can just pay us when they want. And, you know, and I'm not going to show any frustration. I'm just going to send an email saying, hey, this is past due. You know, I'm not going to threaten or anything, but, you know, if you go a month over like that one company, then that's when things get a little bit, you know, I can send a letter or threaten you a little bit. But if you're going to wait that long to pay, then I don't want to work for you anyways. So anyways, this is going to be a good sized job. I'm going to record this. The clients are not home. I've had some clients, as I'm making videos, come out and, you know, they said they would rather me not record their home. So that's another reason I don't do a whole lot of content at people's personal residential properties, because some people aren't cool with it. Most people don't care, but ever since that one instance, you know, I've always had it in my mind that people would rather me not walking around their house with a phone in my hand recording their property, which I get, you know, but they're not going to be home. So I'm going to take some footage of us doing our thing, show you guys how we operate, and it's going to be very similar to every other residential job. I'm going to pre-treat the driveways, pre-treat really everything, let everything dwell for about 15 minutes or so. I'm going to use my 20-inch surface cleaner and go over the driveway, rinse it, and then I'll post-treat it and let that dry, and then I'll move on to the other things. And if I need to go back and touch up anything, I will. But it should be a very straightforward job. I told you guys I was going to provide some wash jobs videos, so let's get it. See y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm here. Junior, my lead tech's up top. He's already started. First thing I do, I grab my Flexzilla hose and I head straight to the water source. And I remember my water being right here when I did the estimate. And if you take one of these off, always put it back. Little things like that go a long way. You want to leave a property the same way you found it, but just a lot cleaner. So I'm sure you guys remember this. This is what we'll be cleaning, or what I will be cleaning. Along with that retaining wall. So, all right, let's get going. Is that better? There we go. My kids play on my phone, so there's smudges all over the lenses. All right, guys, doing a little pre-treatment here. I did a little section over there to see if I need any pre-treat, and I definitely do. This place is dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat all this. .8 injector. All right, let's get all this pre-treated, and then I'll hop on the service cleaner. All right, guys, while that dwells, I want to remain productive, so I'm going to hop over here and X-jet this retaining wall.